know is that all I know is that I want ice cream yogurt. That one is do pumping. It's very nice. Oh fuck shit, wrong room.
That's what you said.
164. She's not Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today, like this, I get one gist for now. Oh, this is my colleague in the office. So we drove 3 or 4 hours drive down to meet surprise his girlfriend that had exams today, but she's kind of sick, you know, food just later. So we've been trying to call her. She doesn't know we're around, so we want to give her a surprise visit. So right now we are going to her lodge. Do you want your face to show?
No.
Okay. He doesn't want his face to show. So right now we're going to her lodge, and we don't know the place to her lodge, and we don't want to start telling her where is the lodge and everything. So we want to negotiate terms with an Okada driver.
For Umuchima.
So that's the name of the place we're going.
For Umuchima.
If you carry us go there.
You know the place.
Oh, okay, thank you. So we're trying to now locate the place. Don't worry. So we're trying to locate the place. We're going. So we're going, trying to locate this place. We must get this place. I know is that all I know is that I want ice cream yogurt. That one is do pumping. It's very nice. All the Okada men now decided to know to direct somebody to that place. And you cannot call her roommate to direct you.
It's like one out because.
Okay. This guy is perfect. So we're locating the place, guys. So we want to surprise her. Voila. So make her.
Only Frank for Mutima. Okay, thank you.
So we have
Only
gotten
Frank, make a turn.
an Okada driver that will take us there. We're negotiating terms with him. We're gonna pay him. Okay, so like that's the bike guy taking us to her lodge. Okay, so we want to surprise her, and she doesn't know. Okay, so we're still scatter this man destiny. We're still locating the place, and it's kind of plenty drive. So we are there finally. Journey of is it here?
It's not.
shapes, pens. Thank you so much. Nice one. I didn't make anything. So, we're going to start.
Gang, 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 gang. Pew! Gang, 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 gang. Gang, gang. So we are going to her hostel. Is it Harlem? Fuck shit, we forgot the stuff. Let's go get the stuff.
We forgot the stuff. Oh shit. Can you open? Wait. What is that point? Okay, we forgot the stuff. So that's the stuff we've got in it. Ding. We're going. Ding.
Fuck shit, wrong room.
Good afternoon. So I'm looking for Pauline's room. Pauline.
So we don't know the name of the room, and we are calling the roommate to know the name of the number, room number. Please, you should pick up, motherfucker. Pick up. You're stupid. You're stupid in love. Can she just?
That's her assistant.
No, call the roommate. Roommate is short. Fuck, use my phone.
Network has come. That's her assistant. That's very good.
Shit, he doesn't know call.
Reject. You will reject. I thought you said you know this room. I thought you said you know the room. This is confusing.
Then this asshole should be.
You're saying the second to the last room. Oh, that is floor on the last floor.
If I know that time we called you, that asked her. Fuck shit. Hurry up. Wait, don't try. You get to get it right. See how we disturb somebody. So we're going to check her room again. The roommate is not picking. This one is locked. Come up with another plan to call her because we can't find her room number. So I'm going to call her on my phone.
070.
So I'm calling her. Now. The way I call that number. What the fuck? Yes. Yeah. Hello. Good afternoon. Hello, good afternoon. Can you hear me? Okay, please, to give you something. What's your room number? And the name of your lodge? Yeah, the name of your lodge and your room number to give you something. I'm around Shawarma Lounge. Okay. Okay, please can you do it now because I'm already on my way. Or tell me please. Hello?
It's on this side.
Room 64. Actually, alright.
shit, next block. Let's just check, okay? This is one. That's one. What's the name of this lounge? Okay. The person. Okay. Room 64. Or she said 54. Room 64. Fuck. And he's gonna call her again. So I don't know. I'm going to go to room 54 now because she said 64 and we're not seeing her. The room is locked. Where's 54?
54.
Yes. Okay. What's up? Hello? Hello. Are you Pauline? You're Pauline. Please come. It's downstairs. So that there was a misconception of everything. So, yeah, she's the one. We're going to retreat. That's it. Oh shit. Oh shit. Hello. Why did you tell us 64?
I said 54.
Maybe she. I didn't.
Oh, why now?
Okay.
Did you catch it?
I swear, every single thing. So finally.